Hey, Reveille. Can Soldier have the pretzel? He wants the pretzel. She has had this pretzel all day. Literally all day. She won't eat it. She won't leave it. If I try to get it, she does that. She has literally never broken the skin. She's tried. Reveille. It's a tiny. Oh, now look. Oh, what are you gonna do? It's on the floor. Oh. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do? The pretzel's on the floor. Ignore the scuff marks on my floor. They're horrible. Okay. Look. I'm about to give this pretzel right here to Soldier. Can Soldier have the pretzel? Look at that face. Can Soldier have the pretzel? He weighs 14 pounds. He's a German Shepherd. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Pretty sure I know who'd win if they really wanted the pretzel. Reveille. That's who. Can I please have that pretzel? And will you please come outside? Do you want to go outside and find Snaky? Can we go outside and find Snake? We found 2 snakes yesterday. Can we find one today? Are you going to eat the pretzel? Are you on this snake? Okay. My lord. Where'd it go? Oh. How you gonna get it? No. Wait, oh. What if Soldier gets your pretzel? Oh. Alright, I'll suck her in one more time and give you the pretzel back. Vicious. She is vicious. She's gonna get me. Alright. I hope you all have a great day.